Okay, I just thought that I would go over and do a little bit of review of some of the math strategies that I do remember teaching when I had my long-term substitute teaching position for second grade. So this is an open number line. We're going to be doing 28 plus 43. Now something that we did teach our children to do was to divide one of the numbers up into the tens and the ones. And we know that 40 is just 4 tens. And then 3 is either 3 ones, or you could say that 3 is 2 and 1. And it might help you with your addition if you're doing an open number line. I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to start at 28. And here is our number line. Okay, going to add our tens. Plus 10 is 38. Plus 10 is 48. Plus 10 is 58. Plus 10 is 68. Now, if you can see, you can add the 2 and get to 70, and then the 1 and get 71, or else you can just add 3 and you can do it, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. You can just do add 3 if you want to do it that way. But one of the reasons we've shown them they can break up their ones place is that they can get to like the next 10 or the next set of 10 by doing so, for example. And it's a little bit easier sometimes to do that if you're doing mental math, which is what we're trying to get them to a point of being able to do, is the mental math. Plus 2 is 70. Plus 1 is 71. Okay. And I'm going to do one other one. Okay, we'll do 27 plus 26. Okay, so let's break up 26 into the tens and the ones. We've got 6 it's 6. There's 6 ones, and 20 is going to be 20 right here, and that's just 2 tens. And then the 6 we can change into. Now, if we are going from 7 on up to the next 10, we're going to need to add 3 to get to 30, right? So 6 would be 3 plus 3. Okay. And we're going to add those 2 tens. Plus 10 is 37. Plus 10 is 47. Plus 3 is 50. Plus 3 is 53. And so this is really just review, but if your kids are doing it at home, it might be something that you've not seen before and that they might not understand well enough to teach you or to explain to you why they're doing it this way. And so I just thought it might be helpful for you to know how they might be doing it. And I mean, if they wanted to add the ones first, they could, but a lot of times I always had my kids do the tens first because I felt like it was easier that way. And I also taught them how to do the old-fashioned way because I just figured it was a kind of quick way to check it, and it's good for them to be fluent in multiple different ways of knowing how to add. So this is just one method of addition. It's called the open number line, and I just hope that that's helpful in understanding what you might be seeing at home during this break where your kids are trying to do their math and whatnot. If you're checking it over, this is one of the methods they've been taught in regards to addition.